MCQ 32 is a little bit of the mixture of chemical bonding together with organic chemistry. So mainly looking at the electrons that is found between carbon and one of the oxygen in CO2 and carbon and oxygen within ethanol. So let's first have the stick diagram. This is carbon dioxide. So because it's between carbon and one of the oxygen, I'm just going to take a look at this segment over here. So with two lines that's found between them, alright, that would then mean that a total of two pairs of electrons are actually used between carbon as well as my oxygen. So since we're looking for pairs, we're looking for the absolute number of electrons, we're going to be going for 2 to give 4 electrons that's involved in that. So we're going to do 4 and 4. Just be careful, this is looking at one of the oxygen. Now for ethanol itself, let's draw up. We're going to have a C, HH, C, O, and H. Again, just drawing out fully. This is the full structural formula for the covalent bonds. We'll be looking for between the carbon and the oxygen. So there's only one line between. So that means that a total of one pair of electrons is being shared, and that means 1 times 2 gives us an absolute number of 2 electrons. In this case here, the answer we're looking at is going to be C.